Morning, guys. It is Thanksgiving 2023. Just wanted to do a quick little video and say happy Thanksgiving to all my subscribers. And I appreciate you guys sticking with me over the years. It's been a long road. I've been doing YouTube for almost, 10 and a half years now. I started posting videos on 2003, no, 2013, I believe it was. A long time ago. The third month in 2013. So it's over 10 years. Just wanted to give you guys say thank you for all the support over the years, and still going to be doing videos. So I just try to post one every day. And some things have changed. I've been trying to get back into the gym and cut back on it. I was drinking quite a few beers every day at home, and I cut that out and feel a lot better, sleeping better and whatnot. Trying to lose some weight here, get back into shape, going back to the gym, and doing well. Just a little shout out. I'm going to start probably doing some more vlogs soon. Just got a lot of footage that I got to go through and edit, and it's a lot of work to edit. But yeah, over 10 years on YouTube. 10 and a half years. Coming up on 11 years. All right, just wanted to do a little Thanksgiving video for you guys, and appreciate all your support over the years, and continue to post videos. Thanks for your support.